Hi everybody, welcome to our new video. Today I will compare two OLED TV in this video. So let's go, now enjoy this video. Firstly, we start design. Height. Thickness. Weight. Wall mount. Border. Maximum operating temperature. Part 2. Display. Display type. Screen size. Display resolution. Pixel density. Display color. Bit depth. Refresh rate. Contrast. Backlight. Native STD. Part 3. Connectivity. Bluetooth version. Wi-Fi version. HDMI version and port. USB port. .5 mm audio jack. Part 4. Feature. AirPlay. Compatible with Google Assistant. Work with Alexa. Work with Apple HomeKit. Support a remote smartphone. Sleep timer. Search browser. Voice command. Part 5. Audio. Support Dolby Digital. Detach sound. Audio output power. STO speaker. sub offer, and finally price. Price. Thanks for watching. For more updates, subscribe to my channel.